You are going to love the 2020 Titan. The Titan houses the Endurance V8 engine, the largest standard truck engine in its class. But the benefits don't stop there. The massive interior cabin boasts a fold-up rear bench seat and a flat loading floor. When it comes to power and comfort, the Titan can't be beat and is priced below $65,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: trailer brake controller, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension, rain-sensing wipers. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.